Hi guys, so I'm up at the field, but it's gusting 5+ miles an hour at the moment, so I'm just waiting for the wind to drop a little bit. Where are we? Sun's going down, but probably got another half hour, 45 minutes yet, so I'm hopeful I can get some winds in. Hope I can get some flying in anyway. So it's a beautiful evening, but run out to a field. That's 100 turns. Stick with that. Go to the left side next time. Oh, it's badly stalling. Oh, it's rattling around. Certainly. Try again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 360, 350 turns. Okay, I think the wind is finally dropping actually. Let's get out in the middle and have a look. Ah, that was quite nice. It's just bearing slightly to the left. That's probably due to the torque, because I had a lot of motor run on, so to compensate for that, I ought to go slightly to the left. Got a little bit of right in. Could have done with a little bit more up elevator there. Let's just try another little fly from here. Won't be much. Oh, oh, that's what you call a stall. A beautiful stall. Oh, power stall. Okay. Oh. Not bad launch. Oh. Okay. That's going to hurt. That up elevator again, it's just the smallest amount. I'm wondering if that small amount of up elevator coupled with a bit of nose weight, just a smidgen more nose weight, leave the other up elevator as it is, as long as everything's okay. Yeah, it's fine. It's enough to get in a spin over, to be honest. Have a quick look at it. So as an experiment, I am going to put a little bit of nose weight in there. I've got some little tiny batteries here. I wouldn't have thought that would make a heap of a difference, to be honest. $110 turns. Neutral elevator, 550 turns. Wings square. Everything else is the same except for the wind, which is coming slightly from the right. Oh, pull out. She's really pulling to the right now, which is good, but she's not climbing. But if I put in up elevator, my nose weight wouldn't have made any difference, surely. Just put a hint of up in. Just a hint. Pull out, my beauty. So what happened there? Because the last thing I said was we'll put a hint of up in. And she climbs like a homesick what's it. Mind, the window's got up slightly. Losing it now. Oh dear. Oops. Oh, snapped a band. Okay. Snapped a band. A lot, whatever it is. This is it now. Okay. That goes. Beautiful sunset. Look at that sunset. So I just want this to fly nice and long and straight, right to the far corner. Probably stall because that rubber in the back, actually. Oh well, flying to the right, it's a gurney. I want to take it off. Wind's getting up and down again now, guys. Here we go. Straight at the sun. Go on down. In summing up, this is the last chance I'll get this before the competition closes. A little bit disappointing, but I've learnt a lot and it's been above all brilliant fun. It won't be my last free flight rubber model, and I'll probably play with this a little bit more. Thanks for watching, guys. Hit the old subscribe button just down below if it's not in the corner. We'll see you in the next one.